I've had a lot of people request a tutorial for Michael Jackson's Thriller, so here we go. You're going to start with 4 slow walks, starting with your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And of course, those are very stiff zombie walks. Then you're going to do a step on every count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the second set, when you're walking faster, you're going to pull your right shoulder up and your head goes down to your shoulder. And so the counts for that after you've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, head and shoulder go 1, 2, 3, 4, go on 5, 6, on 7, 8. So you do it 3 times, 1, 5, and 7. So after the slow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, on 1, 2, 3, 4, on 5, 6, on 7, 8. Your right foot is going to step front and you're going to turn your body to the left, arms come out, and they do some really fast gyrations in the video. I can't do it that fast, so I'm just going to do 2. So we're going to go 1, 2, and then on 3, 4, you're going to bring your left foot in and you're also going to throw your head down. And then step again to the front, right, left. So your feet are just going right, together, right, together. Your hips are moving the whole time. Your head only goes that one time. 1, 2, head on 3, 4, step 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to keep stepping front with your right, but this time you're going to do a zombie claw, I guess. So you're going to step right, together, and on that first one, you throw your head back, right, together, and now you're going to do a little jump, right, left, right, left. Your head does not move on that one. So you have right, together, right, left, and then turn and do the same thing on the left. Left, together, left, right. You're going to back up from the mirror a little bit. So after you did your walks, you're going 1, 2, head on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step right, together, right, left, left, together, left, right. Your body is already facing the right, so you're going to re-step left, right, throw your head back, left, right. You're going to go forward, but you're going to sort of pause in the middle so it looks very jerky, like a bump, bump. So from the left, left, together, left, right, you're going to go left, right, throw it back, left, right, bump, bump. Now you're going to pop straight up, facing the left on 5, and you're looking to the left. Look front on 6, down on 7, and you're going to pop up on 8. And you're just going to keep doing that a few more times. So let's back up from the beginning. You're going to start with your walks, slow walks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, head on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, step front on 1, 2, head 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step right, left, left, right, re-step left, right, throw it back, bump, bump, up, look, down, pop, pop, pop. So the counts on all that. After the walks, 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, look, 6, down 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is where you're going to jump together. In the video, it looks like he actually hits the back of his hands together, but that's going to happen on 6. Step out to the left and get really low. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Shoulders come up on and 3. Look to the left and 4. So let's back up. We just did our little zombie thing. We're going and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Up 5. Look 6, 7. Pop 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 6. Down 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Keep going. 5. Now you're going to go to the right. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And when you're sliding to the left and the right, you're doing your head. You can go side side, or looks like they actually do circles in the video. So let's take that back to the beginning. So we have walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, head on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, step front right, and 1, 2, head 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step right, left, left, right, re-step, left, right, throw it back, left, right, up, look, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. From here, you're going to go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And in the video, the zombies are kind of spreading out, so we're just going to sort of stay in place. And you can shimmy whenever you do that. So you're going right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. From here, you're going to step sharp to the right, and it's like you have a string attaching your hands and your knees. So your hands come up and your knees come up, right, swing, left, swing, right. And you're going to do sort of like a real quick little shift over to the left before you start shimmying to the right. You're going to go right, 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 and when you do that, just straight arm up, straight leg, and they even come up on their toe. That's really fast. And then come back to the left, 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 left. So let's back up. Let's add all of that together from, we just did this, and we're going to do our re-step, throw our head back. So we have 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, up 5, look, 6, down 7, up 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 6, down 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, up 5, down 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, step right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, step 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So that part's really fast. And now we get to the part that everybody knows and loves, where you get to do the zombie walk. So hands come up, you're going to go right, left, right, left, right. And then you're going to change directions. Left, right, left, right, left. The counts are kind of weird, so don't get caught up on that. You step 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. So you're doing 3 steps and 2 switches on each side. 1, 2, 3, switch, switch, 1, 2, 3, switch, switch. So let's do the walks one more time with counts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. You're going to jump on 3, keep your feet apart, swing around on 4, and you're going to end up down, and you're just going to shimmy 5, 6, 7, 8. And your legs stay stiff and straight that whole time. So let's put all of that together from the beginning. We have walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, head 1, 2, 3, 4, head 5, 6, head 7, 8, step 1, 2, head 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step right, left, 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 right, left, right, left, right, throw it back, left, right, throw it front, up, look, down, up, 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 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, step right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, step right, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, walk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you just popped up on 8. You're going to swing right, left, and you're just sort of leaning over to the right as you're doing that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to turn, pick up your right foot and turn to the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you do the exact same thing, just facing backward. From here, you're going to step back around with your right, reach up with your right arm, and your body is all sort of to the left. Pull your arm back down to your right hip, and as you do that, you're pulling your weight down to your right hip, and then just circle your hip around. And he kind of puts his hand out here, so it looks like this. So you just finished your zombie walk. You just did jump, around, shimmy, 6, 7, 8, rock right, left, right to the back, right, left, right to the front, up, down, around. Now you're going to sort of step back into your right hip and just twist your left toe. But as you're doing that, your body is slowly working its way over to the left. So you're going to start off with your weight on your right, twisting your left toe, but you're going to eventually end up with your weight on your left and you're going to twist your right toe. So you have your hands down as you're twisting your left toe, and you're going to work your way over, and then your right hand comes up and it swings right, right, right. So after you've reached up, down, swing around and twist, 2, 3, 4, and right, 2, 3, 4. So let's back that up to the walk. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, up 3, around 4, down 5, up 6, 7, 8, swing right, left, right to the back, right, left, right to the front, reach up and around and twist, 2, 3, 4, and twist, 6, 7, 8. Okay, almost done. From here, you're going to reach to the right and pull it back into your hips. So from here, you're going reach, pull, and then he sort of turns and punches to the other side. So this is a reach to the right, pull it back, punch, right, left, right. From here in the video, it just shows zombie faces for 4 counts. So I don't know, strike a zombie pose, I guess. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to take your left leg and you're going to work your way around. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then just to finish it out, you're going to look back over your left shoulder. 1, 2, and then just walk forward. 3, 4. And then in the video, they all kind of walk, and then he turns around and he's Michael again. So that's kind of the end of that zombie part. So let's put it all together from the beginning. We'll go slower this time. We have walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, head 1, 2, 3, 4, head 5, 6, head 7, 8, step right, 2, head 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, step right, left, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, step 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, walk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, up 3, around 4, down 5, 6, 7, swing, 1, 2, 3 to the back, 5, 6, 7 to the front, 1, 2, around 3, 4, and twist, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and grab, pull, punch, 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 and zombie pose, 3, 4, around, 6, 7, 8, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, and walk off. That's it. Good job. I'll post a demo with music in the next video and put a link in the description below.